Good morning. I'm Representative Dan Swanson of the 74th District, which includes all or part of Mercer, Henry, Knox, Bureau, and Lee counties. I'm a retired Lieutenant Colonel and served with the Illinois Army National Guard and the United States Army for over 27 years, to include a tour in Iraq where I earned a Bronze Star and a Combat Action Badge. I currently serve as a Republican spokesperson for the Veterans Committee. We count on our military personnel to defend our nation and protect us while they are in uniform serving the United States of America. And they deserve nothing less than our undying gratitude and thanks when they come home. That thanks, at the very minimum, requires us to provide services for their injuries. That included, at the very least, following agency prescribed protocols for monitoring, isolation, testing, and timely treatment to defend against fast-spreading disease, illness, and death. The Auditor's General Report determined that the Illinois Department of Public Health did not identify and respond to the seriousness of the outbreak in nearly enough time with nearly enough expertise to take actual steps to stem the tide of the outbreak. As a result, we lost 36 heroes, or 30% of the total resident population, and 36 families lost their loved one that was living in our care. They trusted Governor Pritzker and his administration to care for their veteran, care for their loved one, and they were let down in the most devastating way. This is unacceptable. The lack of care for those service members who served in combat on foreign soils or put their lives on the line during active duty, only to lose their lives because of failed leadership. Governor Pritzker stood by the former director for as long as he could, while it was clear proper action was not taken to save lives and stop the spread of COVID-19 at LaSalle. The IDVA Chief of Staff sent up many Red Star clusters seeking guidance, but was ignored. On January 18, 2019, Governor Pritzker issued Executive Order 2019-04, strengthening our commitment to Illinois veterans and their families, promising to protect our veterans, but between November 7, 2020 and January 1st, 2021, nearly 2 years later, 36 heroes died at the LaSalle Veterans Home. I would like to highlight a couple paragraphs from Executive Order 2019-04, strengthening our commitment to Illinois veterans and their families. Paragraph 4 says, whereas the state must ensure that all Illinois veterans' homes provide a safe, healthy environment where veterans and their spouses receive all necessary care. And whereas residents and their family members must be assured that the veterans' homes have in place and are carefully following policies, protocols, and procedures that have been reviewed by healthcare experts and are designed to protect the health and safety of all residents. Governor Pritzker, Illinois residents, businesses, and schools were threatened if they did not comply with your executive orders. We lived by your executive orders, but you did not live or comply with your own executive order to protect our heroes and their families. The audit makes it clear that Governor Pritzker and his administration failed our veterans and their families. We demanded that the governor take full responsibility and apologize. It is the very least he could do. But yesterday when asked, he lashed out at Republican legislators. Shifting the blame won't work on this issue, Governor. Step up and take responsibility for the actions of your administration that caused these outbreaks and heartbreaking deaths of 36 heroes at the LaSalle Veterans Home. Thank you.